Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some aptitude problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first problem is the sum of the time taken by a boat to travel 240 km upstream and 360 km downstream is 30 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 5 times the speed of the stream, then find the speed of the stream. It was given that the distance for upstream is 240 kilometers and distance for downstream is 360 kilometers. The total duration taken to travel upstream and downstream as well is 30 hours, and it is also given that speed of the boat is 5 times more than the speed of the stream, and we were asked to find out the speed of the stream. Let's move to the solution. The upstream distance by upstream speed plus downstream distance by downstream speed equal to 30 hours. Time taken is 30 hours. So 240 by 5x minus x plus 360 by 5x plus x. It was given that speed of the boat is 5 times more than the speed of the stream. So let us consider the stream of the speed as x and speed of the boat becomes 5x. So 5x minus x equal to x, 5x plus x equal to 6x. After all the cancellation we get the stream speed as x equal to s, that is 4 kmph. I hope you understood the first problem. Moving to the second question. Talari sold an article at a profit of 30% to Mahesh, who further sold the same article to John at a loss of 10%. If John sold the article to Kiran for 2691 at a profit of 15%, then find the cost price of the article for Talari. Let us consider the cost price as 100% for Talari. Later, Talari sold the article to Mahesh at a 30% profit, that is 100 plus 30% equal to 130%, and Mahesh sold it to John at a loss of 10%, that is 130 minus 10%. 10% of 130 is 13, 130 minus 13 is 117%. Later, Jones sold to Kiran for 15% profit, that means 15% of 117% is 17.5. This is 10% value, this is 5% value, that is 17.5. Adding the 17.5% to 117% is 134.5%, and it was given that the 134.5 percentage value is 2691, and we need to find out the 100% value. So 100 by 135 into 2700. Consider this as approximately as 135%. Consider this amount 2691 as 2700. Approximately we'll get 2000 rupees. So option B is the correct answer. If we consider 134.5% as 134% and 2691 as 2680, again we get the 2000 rupees, which is option B. Moving to the third question. The marked price of a laptop is 50,000 rupees. If the shopkeeper gives two successive discount 10% and x% and sell it in 36,000 rupees, find out the value of x. Market price as 50,000 rupees. The first discount was 10%, so minus 10% is 50,000 minus 5,000 equal to 45,000. Again some x percentage of discount was given, and it became the price became to 36,000 rupees from 45,000. The difference value is 9,000. So 9,000 equal to x by 100 into 45,000. The remaining percentage is the second discount percentage is 20%. Option B, correct answer. Moving to the fourth question. A boat can travel 3 km in 12 minutes against stream. Against stream means upstream. If the ratio of upstream and downstream speed is 3:5 respectively, then find the speed of the boat in still water. It was given that m minus s, that is upstream speed, is equal to 3 by 12, 3 kilometers by 12 minutes. 12 minutes converted into hours, it becomes 12 by 60. So 3 by 12 into 60. Finally, m minus s, upstream speed equal to 15 kmph. And it is also given that upstream speed is to downstream speed equal to 3:5. So 15 kmph value is 3 parts. Then how many parts? Then how much of kmph becomes 5 parts? So obviously it is 25. So downstream speed is equal to 25 kmph. With these two expressions, we get m value 20 kmph. That is a speed of the boat in still water. Option A. Moving to the fifth question. Srinu and Malli started a business with a capitals in the ratio of 1:3. Malli left the business after 7 months and gained 60% of the total profit gained by them together. Find the number of months Srinu has invested his money alone. There are two people, Srinu and Malli. Srinu invested one part and Malli invested three parts for 7 months, and we don't know the duration of Srinu, and we need to find out it. So x by 21 equal to 40 by 60, and Malli received an profit of 60% profit. So obviously Srinu will be receiving 40% of profit. So 22 is a 40, 23 is a 60, 3 ones, 3 sevens are 21, 7 into 2 14. So Srinu duration is 14 months, but the answer is not 14 months. Here we need to observe this word very particularly. This word is very important. Alone. Find the number of months Srinu has invested his money alone. That is, already Malli has invested for 7 months and he left after 7 months. So the Srinu alone duration is 7 months. 14 minus 7 equal to 7 months. Option D is the right answer. Hoping you have understood all the problems and solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.